Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Today is a special day. I am watching TV and relaxing. Oh, it is 3 o'clock already. I need to go now. Today I am meeting my friend Emma. We are going to Central Park. I always wanted to visit Central Park, but I have never been there before. I think today will be very interesting. I take my bag and my phone. Okay, let's go. I open the door and leave my house. The weather is nice today. I walk down the street. Now I turn right. I go straight. I think I need a taxi.
Hello, where do you want to go?
Hello, please take me to Central Park. Hello, please take me to Central Park.
Sure, no problem. Look at this city, it's incredible.
It's so beautiful. I'm so glad we came.
Me too, this is just perfect. Is this your first time in Central Park?
Yes, it is my first time.
You will like it, it's a beautiful place.
I am very excited.
Many people come there every day.
I can't wait to see it.
We are here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, have a great day.
Anna, hi. Emma, hello. I am so happy to see you. It's so good to see you. You too. I've missed you so much. This is the best. Welcome to Central Park. Thank you. This place already looks amazing. Wait until we walk inside. I am very excited. Central Park is one of the most famous parks in the world. Really? Yes. Many movies were filmed here. Wow, that's interesting. Look at the trees and the lake. It is beautiful. Let's walk to the bridge. Okay. This is Bow Bridge. Wow, this bridge is beautiful. Many people take photos here. I want a photo too. Of course. This is the perfect spot. I know, right? Smile big. Cheese. Best selfie ever. Are you hungry? A little. Let's buy ice cream. Great idea.
Hello, what would you like?
Hello, I would like vanilla ice cream, please.
Sure,
And I would like chocolate ice cream.
here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you want coffee?
Hello, what can I get for you?
1 latte, please, and 1 cappuccino.
Coming right up. Thank you.
Here you are. Thanks. It was a great idea to go to the park today. Yes, it's a wonderful place. Do you want to ride a boat? Yes, that sounds fun. This is so peaceful. Yes, it is one of my favorite places in the park. I really love this park. Emma, thank you for today. I'm glad you liked it. I had a wonderful time. Let's meet again soon. Of course.
Where to?
Please take me home.
Sure.
Wow, this city is magical at sunset. Look at the lights whizzing by. I could ride like this forever. Today was an amazing day. I finally visited Central Park. I walked in the park, ate ice cream, and rode a boat. Thank you for spending this day with me. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel. It will be very interesting and educational. Bye!